السلام عليكم. يسعدني اللقاء بكم أعزائي الطلبة في مادة الهيلث سيشيولوجي لطلبة المرحلة الثالثة. Objective Learning Introduction, Definition of Sociology, Nature and Scope of Sociology, Difference between Sociology of Nursing to Sociology in Nursing, Use of Sociology for Nursing, Importance and Application of Sociology in Nursing. Introduction. Sociological knowledge also always needs to enhance the quality of patient care, understanding individual patient social context provides a significant insight into how they experience the world, in the particular their experience of health and care. They always need to reflect on their actions toward a patient from different social background. الهيلث سيشيولوجي هي تعتبر جودة الرعاية للمرضى ويوفر فهم الصياغة الاجتماعي للمرض للأفراد، وتوفر لنا كذلك نظرة ثاقبة حول كيفية تجربتهم للعالم، يسمى تجربتهم في الصحة والرعاية، وهذا يسمح للمرض بالتفكير في أفعالهم اتجاه المرض. Introduction. The word sociology was coined by Auguste, French philosopher in 1893. He is considered as the father of sociology. He believed the science of sociology should be based on systematic observation and classification, not authority and speculation. Sociology is the youngest of all social science. The word sociology is derived from Latin word socius, which means society, and the Greek word logic means science or study or advanced study. Sociology can be understood as the study of society, as society itself has huge influence on what we do, how we think, and how and who we are. يعني يمكن فهم علم الاجتماع على أنه دراسة المجتمع، حيث أن المجتمع بحد ذاته له تأثير كبير على ما نقوم به وكيف نفكر ومن نحن. The study of a people by people, how people from culture, societies, organization, laws, belief, families, religious, and all other aspects of human life. وهذا ما نطلق عليه web of social relationships. Wright Mills once said that sociologists need to develop a sociology imagination to study how society affects individuals. Seeing pattern means the sociologist need to be able to identify similarities in how social group respond to social pressure. Definition. Science is well-organized source of knowledge. There are three factors which are given under explanation of phenomena بما يقصد استكشاف الظاهرة. Science explains different phenomena which is present around you. In sociology, living standard of families dependent upon the standard of education and economic resource. Note هاي ملاحظة. Nurses, the center on the patient, respond to actual and potential problem. A classification of phenomena. Different phenomena are classified into groups for understanding social situation. Different groups. البريدكشن. الاستنتاج. البريدكشن هو logical detection from the hypothesis by scientific method. Two type دي علما للبريدكشن. الاستنتاج من الفرضية. طبعا هذا الاستنتاج من الفرضية بالطرق العلمية هي deductive thinking والinductive thinking. اللي عندي الديتكتيف ثينكينج اللي يبدينا من الثيوري، فرض الثيوري، hypothesis فرضية، observation and confirmation. الانديدكتيف ثينكينج يبدينا من يبدينا من الobservation pattern tentative theories. For example على البريدكشن. مثلا العلماء يتوقعون أن نهاية أزمة كوفيد-19 في الشهر الثالث في العام الحالي وعودة إلى الحياة إلى طبيعتها تدريجيا. هذا هو بريدكشن، تنبؤ. الميثود of science هو description. Science describe natural phenomena. It consists of correct observation, collection data, and confirmation of result. 2. Correlation. There could be clear-cut relation between observation and description. With experiment, it means observation under slender condition so that produced a particular result. اللي يعنينا obedience and authority. Positive and normative. Positive science, it is the study of facts as they are. Such sociology, psychology, who is the study of facts of mind as they are. Normative science, it is the study of facts as they should be. Some examples are as under. Ethics, it deals with the goodness and rightness of our action. Logic, it deals with the correctness of our thought. Ethics, it deals with the beauty of imagination, creation, and perception. Definition of the sociology. حسب الثيوري أعطى تعريف خاصة للسوشيولوجي. Define sociology is the science of society or of social phenomena. Disparage says sociology is the study of human interaction and interrelation of their conditions and consequences. Nabokov defined sociology as the study of social life. Young defined sociology deals with the behavior of mean and group. Definition of sociology. Sociology is the study of origin, structure, and function of the human groups and behavior of individuals of their groups. Psychology is the study of mind and behavior of human. Psychiatry it is the study of diagnosis and treatment of mental disorder. Economics is the study of social activities of human by which they satisfy their needs from mental environment. Geography is the study of natural environment. History is the study of the past social activity and history of present. Different opinion of sociologists. Sociology is the study of society, the science of social life, the study of social relationship, the study of human behavior in groups, the study of forms of social relationship, the study of social action, the study of social group and social systems. Fields of sociology, important fields are under social work, community health, law, health education, family planning, journalism, religious, political. Nature of sociology. Sociology is independent science. Sociology is social science and not a physical science. Sociology is categorical. Sociology is a pure science. Sociology is relative and abstract science, not concrete science. Sociology, both rational and empirical science. Nature of sociology. Sociology in both rational and empirical science. Rationalism stresses reason and the result from logical informs. Empiricalism is emphasizes experience and the fact the result from observation and experimentation. Specialism of the formative schools. Max Weber view sociology aim to interpret and understand social behavior, but it does not include all the human relations because all of them are not social. Morals and regulation and structure to increase efficiency. According to him, sociology concerned with the analysis and classification of type of social relationships. Doctor-nursing relationship. Medicine and nursing share common goals, prevention and restoration of health. The primary role of medicine, diagnosis and treatment, cure. The primary role of nursing care, caring, helping, confirming, guiding. Nursing to take up more instrument role, pertaining to treatment and diagnosis. Three major sociology theories: factionalism, conflict, symbolic interactionism. Factionalism حسب theory Emil Durkheim view society as a system of highly interrelated structures or parties that the function or operate together harmoniously. يعني ينظر إلى المجتمع على أنه نظام من الهياكل أو أجزاء شديدة الترابط، أي تعمل أو العمل معا بانسجام أو بانتساق واحد. Conflict theory. Karl Marx, who believed that the history of the society was one of the class struggle. People are basic, strong, battling over something. يعتقد أن تاريخ المجتمع هو تاريخ صراع طبقي، ويكافحون بشكل أساسي ويتصارعون على شيء ما. هاي نظرية الكونفليكت ثيوري. نظرية السيمبوليك interaction harp a theoretical perspective through which the scholars examine the relation of the individual within their society by studying their communication, language, and symbolic. Which research technique would most likely be used by symbolic interaction participant observation? What is the difference between sociology and nursing to sociology of nursing? Sociology and nursing, this approach focuses on application and solve a problem using sociological knowledge. An example would be divided matches studies, Ellen's behavior. Sociology of nursing focuses on the application of sociology tools and theories to nursing practice and research. This approach focuses on the theory and concept. An example would be the famous book by Elliot Franson, Clyde, a professional domains. Important of sociology in Iraq. In Iraq, rapid social change how produced many social problems like prejudice and discrimination, terrorism, crimes, public unrest, unemployment, housing problem, illiteracy, poverty. The primary goals of sociology and nursing is the promotion of health and prevention of illness and injury. Health promotion and illness prevention in the population may be achieved through intervention direct at the total population or at the individual families and groups that compose of its member. Sociology plays an important role in the area of health science. Medicine and nursing have the common goals of the prevention and restoration of the health. However, the primary role of medicine comprises diagnosis and treatment, that is the care process. The primary role of nursing lies in the care process, consists of caring. Use of sociology for nurses, knowledge of culture and social libations, maintained of a friend relationships between different personals and different levels, knowledge of social system and social relationship, knowledge of the community resource and facilities available, knowledge of different sections of the society, trial, health, military, knowledge of the technology of process and complication. The study of sociology helps nurses identify the psychosocial problem. Is very important. Point 7. The study of the sociology helps nurses identify the psychosocial problems of patients, which helps important the quality of treatment. The important and application of sociology in nursing. The importance of sociology. Sociology helps understand those forces and pressure which affect patient negatively. It helps the nurse understand the behavior, conflicts, interpersonal relationship, hierarchy group, adaptation of the different people working the hospital or health institution. Through the sociology, the nurse get information about social culture life of the patient is the important for the planning and implementation of the treatment. By the study of sociology, the nurses learn the technique of adjustment that can be used in nursing. A nurse who has knowledge about rituals and costumes of the different people can handle patients. As or contrary, budget drawback and literacy, a nurse can educate people about cleanliness, balanced diet, and also guide mother and child health and vaccination. Sociology help in the understand and reduction of the social problem. Without sociology knowledge, a nurse cannot understand the community. Studying of the sociology helps nursing analysis data because they learn interview technique to apply statistics to general theories. Application of sociology in nursing. Importance of social environment. A patient with a physical handicap should be understood in the context of the social milieu, psychological, social, vocational handicap of the disabled person and patients are often related with the false attitude of the pupil. The nurse should understand the social environment for develop the patient health condition. Nurses play an integral role in slowing the spread of the COVID-19 by educating the community. Application important of understand of social factor. Sociology help nurse to understand the social factor which from the barriers to treatment, rehabilitation, and positive outcome. Nurse to understand the importance of supportive social factors in treating and rehabilitating the patient. Thank you.